What's the secret to financial freedom? How do billionaires build their wealth? These are questions that have intrigued us for ages. Today, we're going to delve into the answers. Welcome to an exciting journey where we unravel the 11 wealth secrets of billionaires. Secrets that could potentially pave your way to financial freedom. These wealth secrets will help you get rich. You just need to learn and start to take action. These are not just theories, these are actionable tips that you can implement in your life. So buckle up, prepare to unlock the secrets of financial freedom. Secret number 1, diversify your investments. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, this applies perfectly to the world of investments. It's tempting to go all in on a promising venture, but that's a high-risk game. The wealthy, the billionaires, they understand this. They distribute their investments across various sectors. They may invest in real estate, the stock market, technology startups, even art and antiques. This diversification reduces risk. If one sector takes a hit, others might be thriving, balancing the scales. But it's not just about playing defense. Diversification can also open doors to new opportunities you might not have considered. Each sector has its own patterns, its own rhythms. By spreading your investments, you're learning to dance to different tunes, which can lead to unexpected profits. So don't limit yourself to a single sector. Explore, diversify, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, diversification is key to building wealth. Wealth secret number 2, never stop learning. Now, what does this mean, you ask? Well, it's simple. In the ever-evolving world of business and finance, staying stagnant is not an option. The billionaires of this world, they understand this. They're always on the move, always staying in tune with the latest trends, the newest technologies, and the most recent industry knowledge. They recognize that learning is an ongoing process, a journey, not a destination. It's about expanding your horizons, acquiring new skills, and broadening your understanding of the world. Just like a tree, the more you learn, the more branches you grow. And these branches symbolize the wealth of knowledge you possess. So if you want to join the ranks of the uber-rich, there's no room for complacency. Always strive for more knowledge, always aim for self-improvement. Remember, knowledge is power, and power in the right hands can lead to immense wealth. Keep learning, keep growing. Secret number 3, surround yourself with influential people. This isn't about rubbing elbows with the rich and famous for the sake of it. It's about understanding the power of networking and the value of relationships. When you're in the company of influential people, you're in the epicenter of ideas, opportunities, and collaborations. Think about it like this. Every interaction you have is a chance to learn, grow, and potentially form partnerships that could transform your life and business. It's about more than just making contacts. It's about making meaningful connections. These connections can open doors you never even knew existed. They can lead to collaborations that will push your boundaries and elevate your business to new heights. They can introduce you to new perspectives and ideas that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. Remember, your journey to wealth isn't a solitary one. It's a collective effort, built on the relationships you foster along the way. Your network is your net worth. Wealth. Secret number 4, be an innovator, be a disruptor. In the grand scheme of wealth creation, creativity is not just an accessory, it's a necessity. It's the driving force behind the world's most successful entrepreneurs. From Elon Musk's electric revolution with Tesla, to Jeff Bezos changing the face of retail with Amazon, innovation is the common thread. They didn't just set up shop in existing markets, they disrupted them, creating whole new industries in the process. Being a disruptor means challenging the status quo. It's about seeing possibilities where others see limitations. It's about daring to think differently, to break away from convention, to venture into the uncharted territories of imagination and innovation. The world doesn't reward those who simply follow the path laid out for them. It rewards those who carve their own. And that's the essence of disruption. It's the magic ingredient that turns bold ideas into billionaire fortunes. Dare to innovate, dare to disrupt. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more valuable tips to grow your wealth. Secret number 5. Don't rely on a single income stream. Now let's dive into this. The logic behind it is pretty simple. The more sources of income you have, the more financially secure you become. It's like building a castle with multiple drawbridges. If one bridge fails, you have others to rely on. Think about it. If you lose your job, your single stream of income is cut off. But if you have, say, a rental property, a side business, or investments bringing in passive income, you're not left high and dry. This isn't about greed. It's about creating a safety net. It's about ensuring financial stability for you and your loved ones. It's about building wealth that lasts. And remember, these streams don't have to be enormous rivers of cash. Even small streams can add up to a mighty river. So start exploring. Seek opportunities, diversify your income, more streams, more wealth. Wealth secret number 6, surround yourself with smart people. You see, billionaires understand that they cannot know everything. They are always on the lookout for intelligent, dedicated individuals who can bring fresh perspectives and innovative solutions to the table. Hiring smart people isn't just about filling a role, it's about investing in potential. It's about bringing on board individuals who are capable of challenging the status quo, pushing boundaries, and driving your enterprise towards success. When you surround yourself with smart people, you're not just building a team, you're creating an environment that fosters growth, innovation, and efficiency. These individuals can help you make better decisions, streamline processes, and ultimately increase your wealth. Remember, your team is a reflection of you. Their successes are your successes. Their innovations, your innovations. So invest in people who are smarter than you. Encourage them, learn from them, and watch as your wealth grows. Smart team, smart results. Secret number 7, set clear, achievable goals. Now, if you think that billionaires just stumbled upon their wealth, think again. In the pursuit of financial freedom, goal setting is a non-negotiable. It's the roadmap, the blueprint, the master plan. But not just any goals. We're talking about clear, specific, and achievable goals. Billionaires don't just aim to get rich. They set precise targets. They quantify their ambitions. Increase company profits by 10% this quarter. Launch 6 new products by the end of the year. Expand into 3 new markets within 2 years. These are not vague dreams, these are concrete goals. And the magic of clear goals? They break down the journey to wealth into manageable steps. Each achievement fuels momentum, breeds confidence, and propels them forward on their path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about speed, but direction. So start setting your own clear goals, and watch as they lead you, step by step, closer to your wealth. Set goals, achieve wealth. Wealth secret number 8, embrace failure. Picture this. A world where every step you take leads to success, where every idea you have flourishes. Sounds perfect, right? But it's not. It's in the trials and tribulations, in the stumbles and falls, where we truly grow. Billionaires understand this. They see failure not as a dead end, but as a stepping stone to success. It's a teacher, doling out lessons in resilience, adaptability, and innovation. Consider the failed ventures of the world's wealthiest. They've launched businesses that have crashed and burned, made investments that drained their resources. But they didn't let these failures define them. Instead, they extracted valuable lessons, learned, adapted, and came back stronger. They understood that every failure brings them one step closer to success. So don't shy away from failure. Embrace it. Learn from it. Let it mold you into a more resilient, adaptable, innovative individual. Remember, failure is not the end, it's the beginning. Secret number 9, keep the fire burning. Picture the billionaires of our world. What is it that drives them? It's not merely their desire for wealth, it's passion. Passion for their work, their ideas, their ventures. Passion fuels their relentless pursuit of success. It's what gets them out of bed each morning, eager to face the day's challenges. But passion alone isn't enough. It needs to be coupled with persistence. Think of a river carving its way through rock, not by brute force, but by continuous action. That's persistence. It's the ability to keep going, to keep pushing, even when the odds seem insurmountable. It's the tenacity to persist, even in the face of repeated failures. Billionaires embody this blend of passion and persistence. It's what drives them towards their goals, keeps them moving forward when others might give up. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about the journey, the pursuit, the passion. Passion and persistence pave the way to wealth. Wealth secret number 10. Be smart with your taxes. Now, you might think that taxes are just a necessary evil, something you have to pay and can't do anything about. But billionaires think differently. They see taxes as another area to optimize, another strategy to increase their wealth. So, how do they do it? They don't evade taxes, that's illegal. But they do use every available legal means to reduce their tax burden. They hire the best tax advisors to stay informed about the complex tax laws and take advantage of tax breaks, credits, and deductions. They strategically structure their investments and businesses to take advantage of lower tax rates. They plan their charitable giving and estate planning to minimize taxes. These strategies don't just save them money on taxes, they also increase their wealth by freeing up more money to invest and grow. So remember, be smart with your taxes. It's not just about paying less, it's about growing more. Save tax, save wealth. The final secret, health is wealth. The greatest wealth is health, and billionaires know this well. They understand that maintaining their physical and mental well-being is a priority. This is because it directly impacts their performance, productivity, and consequently their wealth. Staying healthy and fit helps to maintain a sharp mind, enabling clear and strategic decision-making, which is crucial in the path to financial freedom. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest are common practices among the successful. They are aware that their bodies are their biggest asset, and they invest in it. Moreover, they understand the importance of mental health. Activities like meditation and mindfulness help them stay focused, resilient, and stress-free. This in turn increases their ability to innovate, take calculated risks, and make sound financial decisions. Remember, your health is your real wealth. Without it, even the most significant financial success can lose its shine. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Each of these points is a key to unlocking your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, but about the freedom and opportunities it brings. So start applying these tips, one step at a time. Be persistent, disciplined, and most importantly, believe in yourself. When you find difficulties, it means you are on the correct path. Take charge of your financial future. Achieve your financial freedom. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. I will see you in the next video. See you in the next.